Hi everyone, my name is Sahil Goel. Welcome to my channel. Like everyone knows that 2000 rupee note is not a legal tender after 30th September 2023. So here we'll discuss the following. Yeah. So like what all option is available to a common man? What can a shopkeeper or businessman can accept this note? Can a salary employed or worker accept this 1000 rupee note? And what 80% people prefer that either they deposit in a bank or exchange this 2000 rupee note, and what is the total loss for our country. This is really important. Now coming to a section A, like what option is available to a common man. So like they can easily deposit in a bank, there is no limit, both in the saving and in the current account. And if you deposit more than 50,000 in a single day, PAN is required. So PAN is a permanent account number. This is issued by Government of India. And you can easily withdraw 20,000 rupee in a bank in a day, and no ID proof or acquisition slip is required. So this is generally applicable to a public bank only, like SBI. And like in the private bank, they do ask for a ID proof or acquisition. And you can easily spend in a shopping. This is still a legal tender. Now coming to a section B, like what can a shopkeeper or businessman accept this not or not? Rupee not or not? So yeah, they can easily accept it. There is no issue in that, and they can also deposit in the current account. As I said previously, there is no limit, and they can pay GST. They should pay GST and include this in their total income, and then government will also have no issue. And in case you do not deposit in your bank account, so you can easily spend this money for a day-to-day expense. Do remember there is a limit of incurring cash in a day. Like there's a tax in case the tax audit is applicable on you. Okay. Now coming to section C, like can a salary employed or worker accept this note or not? So generally salary payments are in check or via bank transfer. So like a salary worker or employee can receive in cash, there is no issue for them. But like his or employer has to see whether they can make salary payment in cash or not. So this is like it is more important from an employer standpoint rather than an employee standpoint of view. Okay, now coming to section B, like what 80% people prefer, like either they deposit or they exchange this 1000 rupee note in 500 rupee, 100 rupee denomination. So as per latest news, like till 7 June, 80% of 2000 rupee note received by 6 public and private banks have been deposited in the customer bank accounts only. Like this is a great news, like because this help to increase our bank deposit, and like banks are like super happy. Okay, now coming to our last section, like what is the total loss for our country. So 2000 rupee note in circulation was 3363.28 million pieces. So if I converted it into the crore, it comes around 336.328 crores. And this is like as per March 818, this number, and there is no major printing after that. And the cost of printing this 2000 rupee note is around 3.54 to 3.66, and this was set by the government as on March 17. So if I calculate a loss on this 2000 rupee pieces on this, if I take this as an average of 3.5 of per rupee note, so this comes around 1200 crore. So that is a great loss for our country. Okay, so yeah, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you would like this video. Do take care of yourself. Thank you.